Welcome to Being Agile. In this step-by-step tutorial, we will help you on your path to becoming a successful Scrum Master in 2024. We'll guide you through the essential skills, certifications, and provide valuable tips to land your first job in this exciting field. Are you aspiring to become a Scrum Master and kickstart your journey in the Agile world? If you're eager to embark on this exciting path, we would recommend you to stay with us and watch the complete video. We've got a comprehensive guide that will equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed on your Scrum Master journey in 2024. Start your journey by understanding the role of a Scrum Master. Your primary responsibility as a Scrum Master is to foster a collaborative, self-organizing environment within your team. You act as a servant leader, ensuring that the team has the support and resources they need to deliver high-quality results. Some of the key responsibilities as Scrum Master are driving agile processes, removing obstacles, supporting self-organization, improving communication. As this video aims to provide an overview, we recommend diving deeper into the complete roles and responsibilities of a Scrum Master by acquiring the essential knowledge from a valuable resource. We suggest exploring a comprehensive book, Fast, Track Your Agile Journey, by Swarm Garg, dedicated to the subject. Link is in the description. You can also expand your knowledge online and by engaging with Agile communities. Now, let's move on to the second step, acquiring the key skills every Scrum Master needs, such as effective communication and problem solving. Best way to master effective communication is to inherit simple habits like active listening. Pay close attention when others speak. Try to understand their perspectives and concerns. Avoid interrupting and ask clarifying questions to ensure you comprehend their messages accurately. Clear and concise communication. Practice expressing your ideas clearly and concisely. Use simple language and avoid jargon. Effective communication is about conveying complex concepts in an understandable way. Empathy. Understand and appreciate the emotions and viewpoints of your team members. Empathy fosters trust and collaboration. Show that you care about their well-being and concerns. Feedback. Provide constructive feedback and be open to receiving it. Honest feedback helps in continuous improvement. Encourage a culture of feedback within your team. Facilitation skills. Develop skills in facilitating meetings and discussions. As a Scrum Master, you'll often lead Agile ceremonies, and your ability to guide these discussions effectively is crucial. After effective communication, another key skill you need to gain is problem-solving skill. Best way to master problem-solving skills is to inherit some more habits like root cause analysis. When faced with problems or obstacles, dig deeper to identify the root causes. This prevents addressing only surface-level issues and ensures long-term solutions. Collaborative problem solving. Involve the entire team in problem solving. Encourage open discussions and brainstorming sessions to collectively find solutions. The Scrum Master's role is to facilitate this process. Continuous improvement. Embrace a mindset of continuous improvement. Encourage your team to reflect on their work and processes, identifying areas for enhancement. Implement small changes and regularly review their impact. Conflict resolution. Develop skills in resolving conflicts within the team. Conflicts are natural in any workplace, but effective problem solving involves finding common ground and moving forward. Adaptability. Be adaptable and open to change. Agile methodologies thrive on adaptability, and your ability to navigate uncertainty and adjust strategies will be crucial. Now that you've acquired essential knowledge about the roles and responsibilities of a Scrum Master and have gained two vital skills by making simple habit changes, it's time to take the next step. Understanding where to start is key. You need a strong resume that highlights the skills you've learned and your potential as a Scrum Master, backed by proof of your knowledge. Consider obtaining a Scrum Master certification to kickstart your career. We recommend starting with the PSM-1, Professional Scrum Master, certification from scrum.org. This certification is recognized across the industry and demonstrates your proficiency in Scrum. To excel in the certification exam, you might want to prepare by taking mock tests and studying materials available on scrum.org. The link to their site is mentioned in the description below. Once you've acquired your certification, focus on enhancing your resume. You can use the book, Fast Track Your Agile Journey, to craft an effective resume. If you'd like a demo template for your resume, please mention it in the comments, and we'll be happy to share it with you. certification and a well-crafted resume will be your gateway to securing your first Scrum Master job. These are essential steps to set you on the path to a successful career in Agile. Always bear in mind that Scrum Masters play a crucial role as the bridge connecting the development team, product owner, and stakeholders. Effective communication is our forte, ensuring that everyone remains aligned, informed, and actively engaged in the Agile process. If you found value in this video and gained insights, please consider showing your support by liking the video and sharing it with your friends. For those eager to delve deeper into similar topics, keep yourself updated by subscribing to our channel. We'll continue to provide you with valuable information and guidance on your Agile journey. Thank you for being part of our community.